DepEd TV mapapanood na sa digital channel ng GMA Affordabox ngayong Disyembre. Sundan sa report.
Dahil sa new normal, ipinagbawal muna ang face-to-face classes. Kaya naman sa online learning nakaasa ang maraming mag-aaral. Ngunit hindi naman lahat may access sa internet connection. Bilang pagbibigay halaga sa edukasyon, sa kabila ng mga hamon sa new normal, nagsanib pwersa ang DepEd at GMA Network. Dito, ipapagamit ng Kapuso Network ng libre ang Digital Channel 7 para ipalabas ang blended learning program ng DepEd. Isang virtual signing ng Memorandum of Agreement ang isinagawa na pinangunahan ni GMA Chairman at CEO Attorney Felipe Gozon, GMA President at COO Gilberto Duavit Jr. at iba pang senior executives ng GMA, kasama sina Senior Vice President for Finance Ronnie Mastrile, Chief Risk Officer and Senior Vice President for Corporate Strategic Planning Reggie Bautista at Vice President and Head ng GMA Regional TV and Synergy, Oliver Victor Beltran Amoroso. Sa bahagi naman ng DepEd, present si Education Secretary Leonor Briones at iba pang opisyal ng kagawaran.
The role of GMA is going to be very crucial because of its reach. As you reach, practically the entire country as the largest network. And this is the kind of audience that we want to reach out to and convince that this is the way forward.
Ayon kay Attorney Felipe Gozon, kinikilala ng Kapuso Network ang importansya ng basic education.
It is therefore our honor and privilege to join forces with the Department of Education and provide our TV platform for free.
Mapapanood ang DepEd TV sa Channel 7 ng GMA Affordabox simula sa kalagitnaan ng Disyembre. Joan Punsoy, Balita Miyanan.